We're here at Hope Valley, Rhode Island, the property named North Gardens. Property has 19 homes, combination of 17 single-family homes, a duplex, and an outside garage. They were looking to see if they can extend the useful life of all the key assets in their community. And now they're going to be treating their asphalt roofs to extend the useful life, take pressure off of their capital reserve funding.
I've lived here about 4 years. I'm the president of the association, and I'm very about really making sure that we're good to the environment. The properties are almost about 25 years old. To get new roofs, we're just going to be throwing a lot of the shingles in landfills, and that's something that I really don't want. But this is a way of us really doing something that's good for the environment, plus having our shingles last longer so that we're not throwing shingles in the landfill and not spending a lot of the homeowners' money.
One of the questions that people have asked us is where this whole industry from roof rejuvenation started. It's because that roofs, shingles, are not lasting as long as they used to. Shingle manufacturers got a big increase in the cost of liquid asphalt, which is a key component in an asphalt shingle, and because it was increased in price, they actually start using less of it, about 25% to 33% less. So the shingles are now less flexible than they used to be, and they're drying out sooner. And now, because of advances in bioscience, they're able to put in a plant-based oil into the shingle, not like seal coating on top of a driveway, but actually more like skincare. It goes into the shingle and improves the flexibility and gives that roof an additional, per application, 5 years incremental life. It's quite a strong value, especially for condominium complexes and nonprofits and other associations that are trying to find a way to extend the current assets and take pressure off of our long-term reserve funds.